Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again, live from Levi Stadium as we have an NFC West showdown in the first game of Super Wildcard Weekend as the Seattle Seahawks go on the road to take on the San Francisco 49ers in your 2022 NFL Super Wildcard Weekend game. Highlight commentary. And here comes Geno Smith leading the Seahawks to the postseason, making his very first career playoff start in what is by far his best season of his career, setting a franchise record in passing yards, career high in touchdowns, and looking to pull off the upset of the weekend against the Niners. Might I add, he led the NFL in completion percentage, led the NFC in passing touchdowns, all while having a rookie running back behind him who led all rookies in rushing yards, plus a rookie corner who led the league in picks. Well, tied for the league in picks, but you know what I mean. Geno Smith coming from humble beginnings, playing the first 5 years of his career for the New Yorks, then taking a jet from the East to the West, never touching the field as a starter for the Chargers, and now taking over for Seattle after
Mr. Unlimited
got the boot. Opening drive for Seattle. Here comes Geno, 3rd and 2.
Nobody's blocking.
Meanwhile, the other way, here comes Brock Purdy, the first 49ers rookie quarterback to start a playoff game. 5-0 since taking over for porn star Jimmy G, all while leading the NFL in touchdowns and passer rating in that period, and also leading the 49ers with the most touchdown passes in his first 5 starts, plus maintaining a 49er win streak that's expanded to 10 games, with undoubtedly the best defense in the NFL. Second play of his playoff career. Here comes Pewter City gym leader Brock Purdy looking over the middle. He's got the 49ers orgasm. Brandon Hank to move the chains. Now inside Seattle territory.
Oh, shit. Here come Debo. Who? Debo.
Samuel puts the Niners in field goal range, and the World War I veteran Robbie Gould makes it 3-0.
You could have seen this video early and ad-free. Make sure to join on patreon.com/Chiseled Adonis, and you won't have to worry about ads. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description.
Following Seattle drive, this time Geno's gonna take it again.
We coming for you, nigga!
Seattle can't do shit. He stopped short.
I stopped short.
Ensuing drive, time to release the Blue Eyes white privilege. Run, CMC. Christian McCaffrey is loose out into the open field, taking it down the sideline for 68 yards deep in Seattle territory, cuz.
That's how a white man runs a football. Or you bitch.
Look at the size of him. He's a monster.
This fat son of a bitch, he's fat!
2 plays later, Pewter City gym leader Brock Purdy looking over the middle, dumps it off. He's got Elijah Mitchell and Ness, takes it inside the 5. Then 2 plays later, the white people connection strikes because Blue Eyes white privilege. Christian McCaffrey finds the end zone, and the Niners lead 10-zip. Seattle hasn't even plugged in their controllers.
That's how a white man runs a football. Or you bitch.
It took a whole baby having diarrhea in the stands to finally find Seattle pick up a first down. Now inside 49er territory, 2nd and 4.
Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest!
Seattle's finally cooking with fresh grease. 3rd and 4. Geno looking towards his right. He went to Zales, and he grabbed a Tyler Lockett for the first down. 3rd and 1. Direct snap to Kenneth Walker. Takes it for a first down. But the rookie's not done yet. Handoff to Kenneth. Luke Skywalker III finds the end zone. Touchdown Seattle. 3-point game. Whoa, yeah. I love Star Wars. Luckily for San Francisco, they've got a rookie who's popping his cherry for the first time today as well. He finds Brandon Hank, who takes them to the 47. 2 plays later, it's way too early to have a bicycle voucher, so you've got to use your feet, Brock. He's going to pick up a first down, take it inside Seattle territory. 2 plays later, Purdy looking over the middle. He's got the people's tight end, George McGriddle Kittle, picks up a first down using the GPS to find an open lane.
Yo, what the fuck?
I want your cock. 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 Cock.
Hey, what? The Blue Eyes white privilege won't stop. Purdy finds CMC, moves the football inside the 15. Purdy moving down the field with ease. 2nd and 9.
Come here.
What's that fat guy doing to Purdy? He's about to hit him with the bonsai drop.
Don't do this.
Somebody needs to get Brock Purdy a max revive. Nevertheless, Robbie Gould puts it through the uprights and good. Time for Geno Smith to respond. Last drive was 70-plus yards. This time, Noah's Ark Fant takes it across for a first down. 3 plays later at midfield, Geno looking towards his left, rainbows it down the sideline, got DK Donkey Kong Metcalf into the end zone. Seattle scores and takes the lead. The upset begins. Ward got treated like stir fry in Atlanta. He got cooked. Wait a minute, I closed out 2022 right, winning over $2,500 on Underdog Fantasy within 5 weeks. I'd love to see you win too.
What are you waiting for? Click the link in my description to download the Underdog Fantasy app right now. And to make matters even better, users will receive a deposit match up to $100 if you use my code. If you put 100 in, they'll give you 100. You put 50, they'll give you 50. You put 20, they'll give you 20. You put 10, they'll give you 10. If that don't sound like a deal, I don't know what is.
49ers trailing for the first time today. Brock Purdy fails to move the chains. Seattle's getting the football back. All the momentum going the Seahawks' way.
Yeah, well, not anymore, you're not.
Now get your bitch ass on the floor.
Both teams failing to pick up a first down, exchange punts. Ensuing drive, Brock Purdy finds the orgasm again. Takes it inside Seattle territory.
Oh, shit. Here come Debo. Who? Debo.
Samuel disregards a rapscallion and takes it across to the 25, setting up old man Robbie Gould again, and San Francisco's in front once more. Fun fact, San Francisco had to use 63 gallons of WD-40 to unlock Robbie Gould's leg. Last play of the first half, Geno Smith says fuck it, he's gonna run himself, try to pick up a first down, but he's tattooed by Jimmy Ward. The Wards in the secondary don't know what they doing. That would put Seattle in field goal range on the last play of the first half, and Myers boots it through the uprights and good. The Seahawks lead at halftime by 1. The 49ers are in trouble. You've got to be a special kind of dumbass to decide to attack a quarterback that's sliding on what would be the final play of the first half. What was the point? Just let the man slide and move on to halftime, you big dummy. Into the second half we go. Seattle looking like they moving in slow motion on defense. Must have been popping champagne in the locker room because they forgot football's 4 quarters. George McGriddle-Kittle inside Seattle territory on the first down. 2 plays later.
Oh, shit. Here come Debo. Who? Debo.
Samuel running through tackles like a link of fecal matter through a lubricated rectum. High five me, Kelly. Me too, Margaret. Now in the period-colored zone, Brock Purdy would dial up voicemail, call his own number, sneak it into the end zone. Touchdown, San Francisco regains the lead.
Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Also, follow me on all social media networks, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Chiseled Adonis. Make sure you get your fix of all Chiseled Adonis content.
Nothing to worry about for Seattle because their defense may have been asleep, but the offense is still cooking as Geno Smith got DK Donkey Kong Metcalf, carries it for a first down inside Niner territory. 3 plays later, Seattle still looking for jewelry. Tyler Lockett picks up a first down, keeps the drive alive. They will not be denied. Why is DK Metcalf showing off his juggling skills? Catch the football, stupid! Geno taking turns with Metcalf and Lockett down the field. They continue to move the chains. Hey, Geno, I forgot to ask, what's your favorite playoff snack? Butterfingers fumbles on the play, scooped up by Nick Bosa. The 49ers take the football away. Niners now at midfield, handoff to Blue Eyes White Privilege. Christian McCaffrey takes it inside Seattle territory.
That's how a white man runs a football. Oh, you bitch.
Into the fourth quarter we go. Here comes Pewter City gym leader Brock Purdy. Looking down the field, he's got Jennings inside the 10. Nearly gets intercepted, but the football gods ain't on Seattle's side. Play action fake.
Spin him.
Unhand me, scoundrel. Purdy looking towards his right. He's got Elijah Mitchell and Ness into the end zone. Touchdown. Niners lead by 2 scores. It's the postseason. You're making your debut. Why not take out your Uno cards and give them 2 for their mistakes? 14-point lead. George George McGriddle Kittle with a 2-point conversion.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Nothing to worry about for Seattle because their defense may have been asleep, but the offense is still cooking as Geno Smith got DK Donkey Kong Metcalf, carries it for a first down inside Niner territory. 3 plays later, Seattle still looking for jewelry. Tyler Lockett picks up a first down, keeps the drive alive. They will not be denied. Why is DK Metcalf showing off his juggling skills? Catch the football, stupid! Geno taking turns with Metcalf and Lockett down the field. They continue to move the chains. Hey, Geno, I forgot to ask, what's your favorite playoff snack? Butterfingers fumbles on the play, scooped up by Nick Bosa. The 49ers take the football away. Niners now at midfield, handoff to Blue Eyes White Privilege. Christian McCaffrey takes it inside Seattle territory.
That's how a white man runs a football. Oh, you bitch.
Into the fourth quarter we go. Here comes Pewter City gym leader Brock Purdy. Looking down the field, he's got Jennings inside the 10. Nearly gets intercepted, but the football gods ain't on Seattle's side. Play action fake.
Spin him!
Unhand me, scoundrel. Purdy looking towards his right. He's got Elijah Mitchell and Ness into the end zone. Touchdown. Niners lead by 2 scores. It's the postseason. You're making your debut. Why not take out your Uno cards and give them 2 for their mistakes? 14-point lead. George McGriddle Kittle with a 2-point conversion.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
You need a shout out? Book me on Cameo.com/Chiseled Adonis and get a shout out, birthday wishes, draft order for your fantasy football team. It don't matter. Book me. What are you waiting for?
Seattle absolutely falling apart. Series of penalties backs them up for 3rd and 22. They'd be forced to punt.
Oh, shit. Here come Debo.
Samuel wide open over the left-hand side. He's got the sideline. Somehow Seattle can't get off a block, and he's headed into the end zone. 74-yard touchdown, and the necrophilia is beginning out in Levi Stadium because the Seahawks may be dead, but somehow they're still getting fucked. God damn, no wonder Seattle losing. Why does Tyler Lockett's hairline look like that? Brother got the George Jefferson. You could fit the Eiffel Tower on that man's forehead. The Bible says before Moses split the Red Sea, he split Lockett's hairline first.
Cut the damn hair off now. I got some clippers. If you want, I will come to your house. Dr. Umar will come to your house and shave you.
Literally on the very next play from scrimmage. Geno's picked off by the Niners. Everything's going wrong for Seattle.
I'm in danger.
They was up 17-16 and the Niners scored 22 unanswered. It's as if San Francisco let their little brother play on the controller for the first half and let the big boys take over for the second. Seattle got Brock Purdy out here looking like Fran Tarkenton mixed with Joe Montana, making all kinds of plays.
I dropped it.
What happened to his hands? Hey, must have had too much vaginal secretion on his fingertips. Couldn't hold on to the football. Robbie Gould makes the score 41-17.
You want to become an official member at Hold My Nuggets Incorporated? Head over to ChiseledAdonisShop.com and grab your merch. Stock is flying off the shelves. Get it before it's gone. Grab a hat. Let the people know your affiliation.
3:16 on the clock and Stone Cold is nowhere to be found. Seattle's gonna need a miracle to get back into this game, trailing by 24 inside Niners territory. Geno Smith hoping he can turn this into NFL street. He's got Young for a first down. Very next play, he's got time down the middle, got his man inside the 15. Watch out, he stepped on a game breaker. He's got Metcalf in the end zone. Touchdown Seahawks. They finally answer 25 consecutive points from the Niners. But did that help them come back and win though? Absolutely not. They get cooked against their divisional opponent as the San Francisco 49ers hand them a big old boot out of the postseason.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood. This, today, is one of the worst days that I've had in a long time.
As they tell them to take out their Metro gods and get aboard the L train. but their ride would be short-lived, cause they've arrived at Elimination Station and they go somewhere different. For their failures of being able to put up a competent second half after leading 17-16, their failures of taking down a divisional opponent, and their failures of stopping Brock Purdy in his postseason debut. Consider your names written down the Death Note, because your dreams of advancing to the divisional round of the playoffs, your dreams of becoming the very first 7th seed to advance in postseason history, and your dreams of contending in Super Bowl 57 and hoisting up the Lombardi Trophy for the second time in franchise history has been absolutely
There's only one thing left to do. Gotta write their names in the Death Note. Delete!
Delete.
Delete. Delete. Delete.
Delete.
Delete. Delete. Delete.
Delete.
Deletion.
You will rest in peace.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.